Good morning, my dear students. Today let us begin class 8 data handling. From that, exercise 5.1, question number 1. For which of these would you have used histogram to show the data? Dear student, for which of these would you have histogram to show the data? Dear student, they have given here different 5 situations. So let us go through one by one. The number of letters for different areas in postman's bag. The number of letters for different areas in postman bag. Second one, the height of a competitors in an athletic meet. The height of the competitors in an athletic meet. Let us see what is the next. The number of cassettes produced by 5 companies. Then the fourth one, the number of passengers boarding trains from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. at a station. So they are asking you, give reason for each. Main thing is that you must know to produce the histogram what things are required for you. They are asking you whether you can use the histogram. So let us see case by case. First, let us go for what is the reason, what is required to draw the scene. Since histogram is a graphical representation, as you know that the histogram is a graphical representation of data. If data represented in a manner of class interval, the main thing is by the help of these cases we must know to create the class interval. If we can create the class interval, then we can produce it. So here the number of letters for different areas in postman bag, we are unable to find out the class interval. So that is the reason we are going to create the first one. It is not possible to create the class interval. So that's why let us go to the second one. B, the height of the competitors in an athletic meet. We can, for athletic meet, you have to from 0 to 10, 10 to 20. In that way, you cannot 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter, 200 centimeter to 300. In that way, you can create the class interval. Therefore, for case B and D, mainly the D also you can passenger for minutes. For hour you can create it. So you can the number of passengers boarding the train. So you can choose the class interval for that. For that say, therefore for case B and D, we would use a histogram. To use a histogram mainly we require class interval. So to show the data, because in these cases data can be divided into class interval. The main concept is to draw the histogram. You must able to divide the given data into class interval. Hope you know that what is the class interval. Upper limit, the lower limit. So it must be having the equality also. In that way, so let us give the reason for it. In case B, a group of competitors having different height in an athletic meet. They will be not same height will be there. So you can start from 0 to 50 centimeter, 50 to 100, 100 to 50, then 150 to 200. In that way you can divide the given data into class interval. But in the C it is not possible producing the cassettes. But in case D, the number of passengers boarding in the train, how many are there boarding? In an you can divide the given data into interval of 1 hour at a station. At a the station, you can make the class interval by the dividing. Hope you understood what they are asking the question. Main thing is that you have to read the question very carefully, then you have to answer for the question. They are asking you on by the which cases you can able to draw a histogram. So to draw a histogram in your mind, the main thing is the given data must be, you should be able to, and the given data must be able to divide it into class interval, then you can create a histogram. Hope you understood the first question. Thank you.